What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Maniacs Garage.
We're doing it.
Jim Maniac, John Maniac. We're missing Ryan Maniac, but hey, man, we're gonna get it done anyway, because today we're working on this bad boy, the 62 Mercury Monterrey. We call it a Maniark. Go back, check out all the episodes we did on this, but today we're gonna break in. When I say we, I mean he will be breaking in the cam on this 390 FE. Let's get started. I guess you're gonna break this thing in because we rebuilt this motor and it's got a brand new cam in it.
Yeah, so we've started it up a couple times, but we really need to do a proper break-in on this cam.
Okay, and what does that consist of?
Well, the OEM recommendation of the cam.
Okay.
Then fire it up and go right to 2,000 RPM and hold it for 15 minutes.
Okay.
That's the break-in procedure.
Cool.
Following procedures is good.
Following procedures is always good.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's do that then.
Yeah.
Fire it up, dude. It's been a while. Let's see if it starts. Can I watch your windshield?
Well, made it, dude.
It shifted in a second. That's good.
So literally, just down the road from us, there's a little car show going on today. We have the 49 out here. Come check it out. But we drove the 62 for the first time in 2 years. And we're parked right out here. Bam. The 62 is right here. Runs. A lot of stuff to shake down on it still, but it runs. That's so cool. John here with Maniacs Garage. Do you guys want to quiet down your noisy car? Or are you planning on putting an audio system in and you want to control the vibration? You need to check out Dynamat. These guys offer this product that's peel and stick. It is thin, flexible, sound dampening, vibration control. Go check them out at dynamat_official on Instagram or dynamat.com on the web. Alright, let's try that again, but this time with some ear protection, and hopefully it stays in park. Make sure my foot's not under the wheel. Hey dude, do we have to do something with that? Will that slide down? It shouldn't slide down. You got no e-brake. Let's chop the tires at least or something. Yeah, bring it forward a little bit. Jim, seems a little low on tranny fluid.
Yeah, I don't know I think the torque converter is sucking it up.
Yeah. What do we have here? Anything?
No.
We got some 040 motor oil. That's some BMW antifreeze coolant. We can put that in there, see what happens.
Grab some real quick.
He doesn't think that's funny. Okay.
No.
All right, so we're out of that. Dang it, we're gonna have to run to the store just to get a few quarts of that, huh?
Yeah.
So close, so close. Wow, baby, that thing is loud. Now he's gonna run that thing for 15 minutes at 2,000 RPM to break in that cab. We got the fluid levels up to par, and we still have a leak at the transmission somewhere, so we gotta address that later. But I was gonna let it rip for a while. How's the cab?
Really good. Just a little, hold a little over 190. Oh, 50 PSI. I thought it'd be a little higher on the oil pressure.
Into it, 10 minutes right now, holding it at 2,000 RPM. Temperature checks out, everything's checking out. The motor's sounding good. So hopefully this is gonna be a win and our first rebuilt V8 ever from scratch. So that's pretty exciting for us. So if you guys are liking what we're putting out, please make sure to subscribe, leave us a thumbs up and all that good stuff. Leave comments for us, we really appreciate it. And man, I can't wait to get this thing on the road. Yeah, dude. Nice.
Oh, we got leaks up there.
Bro, no leaks.
Really? We were dripping from the other day.
No, I mean, we got something seeping at the transmission.
Yeah?
Oh, it's leaking there. Yeah, it's loose. Not even hand tight.
Okay. Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, one more thing to check off the list. Yeah, dude, right here. Check it out. Right here. This is loose.
Okay, well, that'll...
And it's leaking down that line. So that's an easy one.
Yeah.
But, dude, that's awesome. First ever rebuilt motor, and it's holding together, running.
How did it sound with the...
It sounded fine. I mean, they were all consistent, you know. So with my stethoscope, with my yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
The screwdriver scope. Yeah, I think it sounded fine, man.
Wow.
Cool. Love it. Well, so now that the cam's broken in, let's try to get this hood mounted, yeah?
I think so.
So the problem is that we got some clearance issues with this air cleaner to the bottom of the hood.
We think it's this.
Yeah.
May not be, but let's try it.
Okay, so we're gonna cut that off. That's good. I'd
Yeah.
say about 3/4 of an inch, pretty good. Maybe
Yeah.
even an inch, but
Yeah.
well, 3/4 enough because the butterfly's sticking up
Right.
anyway already. But I think we might have to clearance the actual bottom of the hood, dude.
We might.
Yeah.
So let's start here.
No, start here. Sounds good to me.
Do you want to hold this in your hand while I cut it?
Yeah, that sounds like a very safe idea.
Okay.
Of course, we're just joking about that. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the vise right here. Somewhere. There's your mark right there.
I'm gonna wrap it. Check the threads.
Safety glasses, ear protection. Man, we're good. We're good. We're good today.
Wow.
We're really good today. You're gonna go knock that down on the little bench grinder there?
No, what I should have done is put a nut on here and we'll back the nut.
Yeah, well, you can still run the nut all the way from the bottom
Right.
since it's well. Working on, Jim?
Putting some screws that I had to make into the headlight.
Oh, some custom screws.
Yep.
Nice. Is it working? Don't over tighten. Remember, a little fragile.
Yeah, they're
All
solid.
right, cool. And then what's next on the agenda?
Let's throw this hood on.
We're gonna put the hood on, bolt it on, and see if it finally fits.
Yeah, we'll see.
Pretty brilliant little technique there. We put the GoPro down under the hood and shut the hood down on it to check clearance for the air cleaner, and it clears. Dude, are we gonna wrap it up for today?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, let's eat, dude. Let's go eat. Let's just call this a day.
We never do that.
We never go eat anymore. Well, guys, thank you guys for following us. Thank you for watching this episode. We had a really good time today actually getting this thing to where it's at now. So now next I think is going to be on the agenda, clean these wheels up, decide if we're going to have time to maybe drop it a little bit, maybe not in that same video. And I guess getting the patina coating on.
We got 2 work weeks left before the wedding.
Yeah, Jim's driving this thing in his wedding. How cool is that? That is so cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave us a thumbs up, all that good stuff. See you guys in another video.